Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can link internally between your pages of your website you create and edit in the Framer website designer. So let us dive into this. Head over to your website project here on Framer. I will go with this project here, click into pages on the left hand side, and what you want to do guys is I'm going to create a page and link to the home page just for the sake of this tutorial. So to do that, let me add a new page here, example page, for instance. And then guys, what you want to do is, for example, you may insert a section to the given page. To do that, click into insert. You can go with a section, but you can also go with other components like, I don't know, media, interactive, text fields, and so on and so forth. Menus, I will go with a section, and then the section will be added. So let's assume, for instance, I would like to link to that section here, from that section to the home page. What you need to do is left click into the given section, component, or content. Then here on the right sidebar, click into link to here, and then select one of these internal locations, like for example the home page or any other page of your website project. And I will go with the home page. And now, as you can see, the link has been added. There you go. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.